myself. I am Seema. I am a girl. I am 6 years old. I am Rahul. I am a boy. I am 6 years old. This is me.
I am
I am Shivansh. I am
6 years
6 years old.
hmm.
My birthday is on 27 of November 2019.
Very good. I like.
I like painting.
Say bye.
Say bye.
Bye, Shivansh.